Alright, we have got a question. X power 2 equals to 16. Solution. Then by copy what we have x power 2 equals to 16. Okay, and of course right here for me I'm going to square again as we have it right here. Okay, so that we shall say x power x then power 2 then power again 2 equals 16 power 2. What we have right here, okay, then so that here we shall have x, okay, then here that is same as multiplication, okay, to mean that x power 2 times 2, okay, that's what we can write x power 2 x then power 2 right here. Okay, and this is equal to 16 power 2. And if you have seen nicely, we can separate this one to get x squared then power x squared, and of course this must be same. This is equal to 16 can be equal to 4 squared then power 2. Okay, then by multiplying this one we shall get x squared then x squared equals to 4 then power 4. At this stage we have this one which is the same as this and the same as this, so that we shall equalize them. X power 2 equals to 4, so that here x power 2 will be 2 power 2, then x will be 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.